Hello guys, so I've been using Lansweeper for managing our company's IT assets for the past year, and honestly, it has been a game changer for our IT team. From the very start, the setup was straightforward, and the agentless scanning feature meant I didn't have to install anything on each workstation, which saved a ton of time. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're managing a large network or if your team is spread out across multiple locations. With agentless scanning, you don't need to manually install software on every single device, making the onboarding process much smoother. Once Lansweeper started scanning, I was amazed at the level of visibility it provided across our network. Every device, every piece of software, and even firmware versions were cataloged neatly, giving me a complete snapshot of our IT environment. This level of visibility is critical because it helps you understand what devices and software are in your network and how they're performing. It also helps ensure compliance and security by tracking version updates, firmware, and even identifying potential vulnerabilities across your network. It also helped identify unknown assets that were lurking around, which previously would have required hours of manual checking. This is especially helpful for businesses that have grown quickly or have complex networks. With Lansweeper's auto-discovery features, you can find devices that may have been added to the network without proper documentation. This automatic discovery ensures that you're not overlooking any assets and that everything is accounted for, which is a huge win for any business looking to streamline their asset management process. What I really appreciate about Lansweeper is how it centralizes IT asset management while remaining cost-effective. Unlike other tools that can become pricey as your company grows, Lansweeper's pricing structure scales well with your needs, making it a great choice for small to mid-sized businesses. The reporting capabilities are excellent, letting me generate detailed insights for inventory, software deployment, and licensing compliance. For Shopify store owners or businesses with multiple software licenses, this is especially useful. You can easily track which software is in use, whether it's up to date, and ensure that your company is compliant with licensing agreements. I also liked how I could deploy software updates or scripts across multiple systems with minimal hassle. Whether you're rolling out a new update or managing system-wide changes, Lansweeper's software deployment tools allow you to handle everything from one central location. This feature is particularly beneficial for IT teams that need to apply patches or deploy scripts to multiple devices quickly and efficiently. The LANY segmentation of devices is a subtle but powerful feature because it lets me organize assets based on location or department without creating separate inventories manually. This organization feature makes it easy to track devices based on where they are located in the company, improving resource management, especially for teams working in multiple office locations or remote environments. Auto-discovery of devices in multiple office locations made my life much easier, reducing the chaotic job of tracking resources across sites. This is especially helpful if you're managing a distributed team with devices in different locations. You no longer have to manually update spreadsheets or rely on local IT teams to report what's in their areas. Lansweeper automatically discovers these devices, making the process seamless and ensuring you always have an accurate inventory. There were a few minor frustrations, though. At times, the platform felt a bit slow when dealing with very large datasets. If your network includes hundreds or thousands of devices, this can sometimes cause delays, especially when generating reports. However, these performance issues are generally minor and can be mitigated by adjusting your scanning settings or running reports during off-peak hours. Additionally, some of the deeper configuration options could use better guidance or support from a technology partner. While Lansweeper is powerful, it can be a bit overwhelming for new users or those who aren't familiar with asset management tools. A bit more in-depth support or tutorials would definitely enhance the user experience. Even with that, the platform's functionality and performance are solid, and the value it brings to a medium to large-sized IT environment is undeniable. It's clear that Lansweeper was built with scalability in mind, so whether you're a small business just starting to manage IT assets or a growing enterprise, it's a flexible tool that will grow with you. Overall, Lansweeper has saved our team hours each week, increased visibility into our IT landscape, and allowed us to maintain better cyber hygiene by consistently checking for unknown or outdated devices. This constant monitoring is crucial for keeping your network secure and ensuring that devices are always up to date. For anyone needing a reliable, scalable, and budget-conscious solution for IT asset management, Lansweeper is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a Shopify store owner with a few employees or part of a larger organization, Lansweeper can help simplify asset management, improve security, and save you time and money in the long run.